Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you another massage gun. So this one right here, me and my husband, we did try it out. This is very nice, okay? But from a woman perspective, I like the first one. This one is good too, but it's more heavier. So he really didn't mind the heaviness to it. It didn't bother him or whatever. So he was like, both of them are the same. So yeah, but this one has more nozzle heads to it. So anyways, let's get to the video. As the other one, this packaging is very plain. You can't really tell what's in it. So yeah, and yeah. So as we open it up, you know, you can unzip it and all that good stuff like that. So yeah. So right here with this one, like I said, it was more bulkier, but I love the digital screen on there. It has like a temperature on there. It also does your heart rate on there also. And like I said, this one has more nozzle heads to it. If you prefer more attachments to it, then this one is for you. All right, so like I said, these are the exchangeable heads on here, and basically this is just a manual. It's very simple to use. It already came pre-charged. That's what I loved about it. And yeah, it can charge up to 3 to 4 hours, and it lasts up to 8 hours. So right here, I'm just showing you everything how mine came. So I just put everything back in the packaging to show you how yours will come. Also, it does come with a coupon code, so I'll link that below, down below in the description bar. So as you can see right here, you just switch it on right there. So with this right here, it has the LCD touch display screen on there. So that's cool. And also that one right there is the claw head. So that's good for the calf muscles. And this one is the 6-point head. So that's good for all the joints on the body. So basically, I know some of you probably don't know, some of you do know. This right here, massage gun, is for post-workout. So get your muscles back and your blood flowing back in your muscles. And if you don't work out, you're starting to work out, or you just want to use this, to relax and, massage your joints, this is good too. So yes, so right here, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how easy it is. So basically on the bottom, you just switch it on. You're going to switch it on, and then you're just going to put any attachable head on there of your choice. For me, I like the round head one, so it's for the shoulder and neck. So sometimes my shoulder be bothering me, like I said in the previous video. Sometimes my shoulder be bothering me, and I love to, work that on out, honey. So yeah, so that's the digital screen. I'm just going to use this one here, the tree head. I'm just going to use that one. So basically, that's for, the inner thigh, for the soft parts of your body, like the inner thigh. So I'm just using that on my wrist just to demonstrate to you. And I got on the one setting. But yes, I do love this one too. It's a little bit more heavier. So if you don't mind the weight of it, this was really, really good. And like I said, it comes with a coupon code, so that's awesome. My husband, he loves this one too. He loves this one has more changeable heads to it. But other than that, this is a really, really good one. It does the job. It does it. It gets all the soreness out your joints and have your muscles feeling great afterwards. It is very relaxing, and it wasn't that loud either. So yeah, I highly recommend this massage gun. And like I said before, I'll link everything below, and I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.